Hi, today I'm going to talk about how learning should be accessible for everyone. Students with special needs should be able to demonstrate what they know and be able to express themselves academically. School buildings should provide ramps, automatic doors, and braille signs to make school accessible for all learners. Technology should also be accessible for all students. For example, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, enlarged font sizes, color contrast, and provide dictionaries and glossaries. Schools should also provide digital ebooks in the student's primary language. Technology should allow the student to be able to express themselves, and teachers are also able to customize their learning to meet the needs of the student. Learning should be accessible for everyone.